Hi, if you've ever wondered how to sew in a zipper with your cover hem machine, then I'm here today to show you. If you look at this, this has been stitched in with the Baby Lock Ovation cover hem machine. And if you look here, this is nice and close to the zipper teeth. If you look on the opposite side, this is nice and neat here, and it's all nice and flat. This overlaps behind on the organza because what I wanted to do is get a nice flat straight line here, and then I'm going to trim that excess off once we've stitched it at the machine. Today we're going to be using the cover hem foot. This is this foot here. If you look at the cover hem foot, you'll see that it's much narrower than the serger foot here. The distance from here to here is quite wide. So if you put this up against your zipper teeth, then that stitch is going to be a long way from where you want it to be. Whereas if we use the cover hem foot, then this is going to be nice up and close. So the machine is set for a wide cover hem stitch, and the speed is turned right down. As you can see, the foot is pushed right up against the zipper teeth, and this is on the right hand side of the foot. So you can see that's done a lovely stitch right up there. I've wobbled off a bit there, but that's still a nice stitch. Now I'm just going to trim away this excess organza on this side. I'm using a pair of applique scissors to do that. Need to be careful not to go through to the other side. Okay, now I'm going to trim down this to fit my pattern. That's why these are all a little bit larger than that. But before I do that, I've actually whip stitched down these here, and before you do that, you must make sure that your zipper is in the middle. If you leave it up here, then you're not going to be able to get your zipper past, or are you going to trim off the zipper tab? And you don't want to do that. And so here it all is, ready to stitch into my project. Beautiful.